Some of you have been asking for a missing grade report in Schoology, and others in the Schoology realm have asked this for a while, and it's just not an option yet. But we do have a workaround that isn't too terrible. So if you follow me on this journey, I will show you. Let's go ahead and go to Gradebook. And once I get to Gradebook, you will see that I have some students that just aren't really doing a lot. We have some blanks in the Gradebook, and we also have some of the exception codes, the missings. You can see those, right? So I want a way to filter all these out. This is what I want to see without having to comb through all of my students. It's very simple. If you go to the three dots, that's your little snowman, it's your more button. If you click it, you can choose export. And we want to export, choose the bottom one, CSV, for import into other system. That other system is going to be Excel. So I choose next, and you will see it down below. It's ready for me. So if I open it up right now, look at that. Pretty fast. Okay, we have some columns here that might seem unnecessary. You can go through and clean those up if you'd like. You can delete the columns, entirely up to you. But what we're really looking for is a filter. So if we go up here to data, and then here's a little filter. Go ahead and click that. Once you do, you will see a little drop-down arrow for each of these column headings. So I want to filter this grade column. So I click the drop-down. And you can see right now it's selecting all grades. I'm going to get rid of all of those checks and scroll down to missing and blanks. That's it. If I click OK, you will now see only blanks and missing assignments. Not too bad, huh? Hopefully that works for you, and I hope you have a great day. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach us at edtech@nmusd.us.